Hey everyone, for this week's Rockstar Minute, I want to talk to you about an ongoing trend that we're seeing that's becoming more and more clear, more and more visible, that's going to impact us all as investors. I'm actually working from home right now today. It's a little bit of a gloomy day outside, so I kind of wanted to buckle down at home, get some stuff done. Allows me to concentrate sometimes a little bit better, depending on what type of stuff I'm going to get done. Anyways, enough about that. So here's the trend that we're seeing. People are willing to move into smaller and smaller places, and there's smaller and smaller units becoming available for people, or there's more of them being developed by builders because of the affordability issues. As prices have gone up, people are foregoing the typical detached home that maybe that was their goal before, what they were looking for, and they're more comfortable with a smaller home, smaller yard, smaller square footage space. And here's what I mean. A couple months ago, I don't have the exact source anymore, but I pulled up some numbers. I came across some numbers about ongoing developments in Oakville. And in Oakville currently, so this was 2016, so it's 2016 numbers. In Oakville at that time, 17% of the Oakville housing stock was made up of condos or apartments, like high-rise living. And at that time, 65% of the housing available was semi-detached or detached. However, the plans moving forward from 2016 to 2041 call for only 27%. I have my computer here, that's why I'm looking down. Only 27% of new development to be detached or semi-detached homes. So it's going from 65% currently to the new construction is going to be 27%. That is a monstrous drop. And the high-rise units are going from, what did I say, 17% all the way up to 51. Townhomes are staying about the same. They're going to increase slightly, but the biggest difference where it's going to be made up of is these high-rise units. And I couldn't find it what they were defining in these particular numbers as what high-rise units would be. I don't know if they're condo towers, low-rise, like mid-rise buildings, like 4-unit buildings, stacked townhomes, that type of stuff. So I don't know the exact details, but this is really an ongoing trend that's not just happening in Oakville, it's happening everywhere. So as investors, we need to be conscious of this because we see, because of affordability, people are becoming more and more comfortable moving into smaller units or having smaller yards or that type of thing. So it may impact the investment decisions we're willing to make in the future, maybe now, maybe in the future, depending on where this trend goes. So this is the type of stuff that we're watching, but you can see it already with developers, even in the condo market, they're changing their product availability because of these types of trends and because of what's happened with affordability for detached and semi-detached homes. It's really changing the housing stock. So this is the type of stuff that we're watching, big changes. And it's definitely not happening just in Oakville. We've already seen it happen. I mean, Toronto's ahead of the game because these types of trends typically happen there first and then spread out to the outlying communities. So it's happening in communities all over the Golden Horseshoe area, and it's going to be something for us to watch. So we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll let you know what else we come up with. Until next time, your life, your terms.